What if I told you there's a secret hack to getting pre-approved for a mortgage in just 24 hours? No, this isn't a gimmick. It's not a loophole. It's a real strategy that has helped countless people get one step closer to their dream home fast. Today, I'm revealing this game-changing hack that could save you weeks of stress and paperwork. Stick around because this could be the key to unlocking your dream home faster than you ever thought possible. Let's face it, getting pre-approved for a mortgage can feel like running a marathon. You gather all your documents, submit your application, and then what? You wait and wait and wait and wait. For most people, the process takes weeks, sometimes even months. And if you are in a competitive market, that delay could mean losing your dream home to someone who is ready to move faster. But what if I told you there is a way to cut through the red tape and get pre-approved in just 24 hours? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me show you how this is done.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Here's the thing. The traditional mortgage pre-approval process is slow because it's designed to be thorough. Lenders need to verify your income, check your credit, and review your financial history. But here's the secret. You don't have to play by their rules. There's a way to speed up the process without cutting corners or risking your financial future. So what's the hack? Meet Sarah. She's a nurse with a steady job and a great credit. But when she started looking for a home, she hit a wall. Every lender she talked to said the pre-approval process would take at least 4 weeks. Some said 2 weeks at least. But Sarah didn't even have 2 weeks. She had found her dream home and she knew it wouldn't last long on the market. That's when she discovered the secret hack. Working with a local mortgage broker who specializes in fast pre-approvals. Here's why this works. Local brokers have relationships with lenders and underwriters. They know how to prioritize your application and get it pushed through quickly. Sarah reached out to a broker on Monday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, she had her pre-approval letter in hand, and by Wednesday, she was making an offer on her dream home. But here's the best part. This isn't just a one-time thing. This hack works for anyone who is ready to take the right steps. So, how can you do it? Let me break it down for you. Step 1. Find a local mortgage broker. Not all brokers are created equal. Look for one that specializes in fast pre-approvals and has a track record of getting it done in 24 hours. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or your real estate agent. Step 2. Gather your documents in advance. The key to speed is preparation. Before you even contact the broker, make sure you have all the necessary documents ready to go. This includes pay stubs from the last 30 days, your W-2s or tax returns from the last 2 years, bank statements from the last 2 months, proof of assets like retirement accounts or investments, and a copy of your government-issued ID. Step 3. Submit your application. Once you've chosen a broker, submit your application and all your documents immediately. The sooner they have everything, the sooner they can get to work. Step 4. Stay available for follow-up. Your broker might need to clarify something or ask for additional documents. Make sure you are available by phone or email so you don't slow down the process. Step 5. Get your pre-approval letter. If everything goes smoothly, you could have your pre-approval letter in hand within 24 hours. That's right, just 1 day from start to finish. And just like that, you're ready to make an offer on your dream home. Now, here's the thing. Getting pre-approval for a mortgage is not just about the paperwork. It's about your confidence, clarity, and control. When you are pre-approved, you know exactly how much home you can afford. You can shop with confidence, make strong offers, and move quickly when you find the right property. For Sarah, this hack wasn't just a time saver, it was a game changer. She went from feeling stuck in a waiting game to owning her dream home in record time. And the best part, you can do it too. So, what do you think? Could this hack help you get pre-approved for a mortgage in 24 hours? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who is dreaming of home ownership. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.